To connect ClickUp to your n8n, here's what you need to do. Here on n8n, you're going to get to your workflow and you can see the plus icon right here. Click on it. And then you're going to search for ClickUp. Once you do that, you have ClickUp. So you're going to click on it and then you're going to have a range of options for your triggers. So you can choose when the folder is created, when the goal is updated, deleted, created, etc. So you need to choose what your trigger will be. So if we say on list created, going to click on that. And then of course, the next steps you need to follow is to connect to ClickUp. Once you click on this, a pop-up will show, which will help you to connect your ClickUp to your n8n and basically to provide some authentication or verification to make this possible. Once that's done, this will be successfully done and you have the execute step button right here and you will see the output right here as well. Once the conditions are fulfilled, in this case, a folder or list is created or updated, depending on the trigger you chose, you will see the output updated right here on n8n.